Welcome to this video on understanding thermal throttling. We'll explore how heat impacts your device's performance and provide tips on keeping your CPU and GPU cool and fast. Have you ever played a demanding game only for your device to get hot and start stuttering? That frustrating experience, marked by performance drops, is a classic sign of thermal stress. If your device is slowing down, don't worry, it's not failing. Your device is actually protecting its internal components from heat damage. This protective mechanism is called thermal throttling. Processors generate heat as they work. Sensors constantly monitor the internal temperature. When the system hits a safety limit, like 90 degrees Celsius, it automatically throttles to cool down. There is a fundamental inverse relationship between heat and speed. High heat forces the system to run at a lower speed, while keeping the temperature low ensures higher speeds. The process is a continuous cycle. The chip generates heat, the system detects it crossing a limit, the hardware lowers voltage to compensate, and the processor begins to cool down. Several external factors contribute to this. Heavy workloads generate significant internal heat, while thick phone cases can trap that heat, and hot environments significantly reduce natural airflow. Think of it as a state matrix. An optimal state provides high clock speeds and smooth frame rates. A throttled state, however, limits your experience to protect the hardware. Premium devices are often engineered with thermal headroom. This extra space allows the processor to maintain maximum performance for longer periods before the safety mechanisms need to intervene. Advanced hardware features like specialized vapor chambers are designed to pull heat away from the processor, helping the device sustain peak performance even during intense tasks. You also have control over your device's environment. Simply removing thick cases while gaming or avoiding direct sunlight can make a significant difference in preventing thermal throttling. Ultimately, smart cooling equals fast performance. By choosing devices with premium thermal designs and managing your usage environment, you can enjoy a smoother experience with zero lag.